Welcome back to Arizona Midday. Now it's time to tech it out with the company that's helping people in the Valley learn to code. I'm here now with Suwyn, the founder and CEO of Promineo Tech. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me here today.
Okay, let's get right to it. So what are coding bootcamps?
So coding bootcamps, they're a short-term workforce training program for software development.
Okay.
It's an alternative form of education to a traditional CS degree or computer science. So for example, there's a tech skills gap. There's way more jobs available than qualified candidates to fill these roles as software developers that traditional education can't keep up with. So in 2011, coding bootcamps came to the scene as that alternative short-term hands-on, learn the hard skills necessary to enter a job in the software development world.
Oh, okay. So we're helping the workforce here, right?
Exactly.
So describe the role of a software developer and what the current job market looks like for them. I know you said there's a need for them, right?
There's a huge need. So software developers, if you've ever used a website or any type of software application, they're the individuals behind making this, right? It's kind of like the construction workers of the digital age. And the job outlook is great for them. The demand means there's always jobs for software developers. And across the US and in Arizona, we actually match the average. Entry-level software developers make $65,000 and the median is $105,000.
Okay, that's pretty good, right?
It's a great profession.
Okay, so why did you found Promineo Tech and what makes it unique from other boot camps?
So I was actually leading an academic team and working as an instructor at a local coding boot camp, and I fell in love with this new form of alternative education. It's great to see lives being changed, but I also found out that the average cost was $13,500, which is inaccessible to many people. And so I feel like the coding boot camp industry had missed its mark. And so that's why I founded Promineo Tech with the mission to increase access to life-changing tech education. So our programs are 3 to 4 times less expensive or more affordable than the average coding boot camp.
Okay, and that's a great thing.
It is.
Right?
It is.
Okay, so why did you decide to partner with colleges?
So colleges, we partner with universities and community colleges, and the institutions we partner with are seen as some of the most accessible institutions in the US and in Canada. And so in partnering with them, we've been able to reach more students who have traditionally been left behind and help them get access to this affordable, life-changing tech education.
Okay, and so are you partnering with colleges here in Arizona?
We do. 2 of our partners in Arizona include Gateway Community College and Estrella Mountain Community College.
Okay, good. Good to know there. So it is local. We like that. So what has your journey been like from launching Promineo Tech to now?
So it's been amazing. I actually I left my job, I started teaching out of my living room, teaching people how to code. So it's kind of that, garage startup story.
Yeah.
And to now, we're now the #1 provider of coding boot camps to community colleges. We're in more than 30 states across the US and a few provinces in Canada as well. And it's been amazing. I've got to work with some great people and see some really cool stories of people's lives being changed. We've seen people make 3 times as much their previous salary and just make a huge difference for themselves and for their family.
Okay, wow. So you started from your home and now look, it's grown so much. So congratulations on that.
Thank you.
So for someone that may be a little hesitant or a little scared to go down this road, what would you tell them?
I would say, so software development is something where you can check it out online first for free. You don't have to pay anyone to teach you anything. Check it out, find some websites to practice coding, to learn a little bit about it and see if it's something that you would enjoy. And that way you can feel comfortable getting your feet wet before you make a commitment. I mean, even though there's affordable options out there like Promineo Tech, it's always great to try it out first.
Yeah, good advice there. Well, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon and sharing all of that great information. I learned something new today.
Thank you for having me.
All right, and if you want to learn more, you can go ahead and head to promineotech.com or by calling the number there on your screen. Thanks.
Thank you.